Thanks for purchasing List Creator. By now you have downloaded the List Creator software, which you can find at listcreator.org/download, and have purchased a license key from our website. You should have signed up for your Google, Yelp, and Hunter.io API keys as well before setting up your List Creator software. In your confirmation email, you will see your order number. This is important for setup of your software. You will also notice the confirmation email contains your username and the email you used for purchase. You will need all three of these elements for registering your software. Upon initial opening of List Creator, you are directed to the Settings tab. You will receive an error message noting that your software has not been activated. Click OK. Under the Registration section, add your email used for purchasing the software, your username, the transaction ID, which is your order number, and click Activate License. You will receive a pop-up telling you activation was successful. It's worth mentioning that this registration will only work on one computer, and you may deactivate this license one time for the purpose of moving it to a new computer. From here, you can copy and paste the Yelp, Google, and Hunter API keys. If you need help with this process, you will see links to our video tutorials on each of those sections. Click the Save API Keys button and confirm that you wish to save these settings. Now you can navigate to the Search tab and begin creating awesome email lists.